Good morning, Bears. I'm Bree reporting for BTV Studio. Today is Wednesday, October 23rd. Let's start off with a huge shout out for our BMB who earned first division ratings for all of our judges this past Saturday in the UIL Region 29 6A marching contest. Band will advance to the area round to compete in the prelims on November 2nd at the Judson Rutledge Stadium at 9:30 a.m. BF&D BMB. Let's also give a huge shout out to our cross country runners as our Bears placed 10th overall and Lady Bears 11th. They were first out of all Northside schools at the regional cross country meet. Congrats to state qualifiers Kaylin Brunson, who placed 3rd overall, and Zach Miller, who placed 4th. Keep running, Bears. Once more, congrats to Makai Thompson, who scored 5 touchdowns to lead our Bears football team on their 72-7 homecoming win against Holmes. 5 of the Bears scored, and the highlight at halftime was the crowning of Trey Keene as homecoming king and Aja Dillard as homecoming queen. And here's a huge shout out to our 2024 homecoming Emperor and Empress Alex and Jada. We love seeing you on the field this past weekend. Did you continue homecoming spirit today? It's iconic duo and couples day, so I hope you teamed up with someone like Batman and Robin. Tomorrow is Throwback Thursday, and Friday ends homecoming spirit week with Pink Out. Put on your Friday's pink fit. Attention seniors, the Northside ISD Council of PTA's Jack C. Jordan Scholarship Fund is taking applications. One senior will earn $1,000 scholarship, and the application closes on November 15th. For more information, visit the CCMA's office or email brennansptsa@gmail.com. And today is the application deadline for the Minnie Stevens Piper Scholarship. It's for the top 25% of our senior class, and it's easy to find the application online. Also, take advantage of the college application workshop in the Career Center A142 tomorrow during all lunch periods. Be sure to bring your Chromebook. The Brennan Mock Trial Club meets tomorrow after school. Come out and support their pumpkin painting fundraiser all week during all lunch periods. Finally, make plans to come out for our Career and Engaged Learning Expo tomorrow from 5:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. Here at Brennan, you'll get to see CTE students and teachers as they showcase their awesome projects, like us setting up BTV Studio. Wow. This will also be a good time to explore CTE courses as you plan for next year. Join us at the expo. This is all we have for today, and don't forget to follow us on X at BTV Bears, and also look for BTV Bears on Instagram. If you miss any part of this podcast, catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears. I'm Bree, signing off from BTV. Have a great day, keep a positive mindset, and stay engaged in your learning and evolve every day. And remember, tomorrow's Throwback Thursday. Peace out, Bears.
This is a BTV production.